So today I worked on a appeal to notice dispute team in which we talked about a trademark complaint that was filed by a complainant who sold ear care products. In this particular case, our client was selling, unfortunately, a generic brand of that product while the complainant owned a trademark. So unfortunately, a complainant didn't want to cooperate, so we had to work with Amazon systems. Luckily, the supplier provided detailed invoices to sellers, and in this case, the client, the seller, they had invoices that accounted for the quantities that they sold. So it's good to, again, show proof of authenticity at Amazon if you have to go to the notice dispute team and if the complainant is uncooperative. So luckily, they're able to get the ASIN removed from their account health section as an intellectual property complaint, so their account is in better standing now.